If you have ever had a dream and you were trying to remember the dream yet you could not remember the dream, then this video is for you. I want you to know that dreams are very essential to our life, because through dream God communicates to us, pass message to us, give us revelation, and tell us what will happen in the future. Dreams help us to know our purpose and help us to choose the right thing in life and reject the wrong things. In Acts 2 verse 17, the Bible said, it said, on the last day I will pour my spirit upon all flesh. Your sons and daughters shall prophesy, your old men shall dream dreams, and your young men shall see visions. This implies that dreams are very essential, because through dreams God communicates to us, give us instructions that will help our life and help our destiny. So a man that don't dream is a man that is in darkness. If you don't dream, that means you are in darkness. So you need to dream so that you receive instructions to know how to avert every plans of the evil one, and know how to live on the right path and reject every evil. Now, if you had a dream and you were trying to remember the dream and you could not remember the dream, I want you to know that there are two forms of dream. There are consciousness dream and there are subconsciousness dream. Consciousness dream is the dream that you dreamt and you were able to remember those dreams immediately you dreamt the dream. Then subconsciousness dream are dream that you dreamt, you could not remember that dream immediately, but as time progresses you begin to remember the dream, or as the events of that dream begin to play, you begin to remember the full part of what will happen in that event. That is what subconsciousness dream. It begin to play immediately that event can start or want to start. Consciousness dream are there to help us to follow instructions or take immediate effect immediately we had that dream. When you dreamt a dream and you were able to remember that dream immediately, it means that God wants you to take immediate actions regarding that dream. God don't want you to fold your hands or be expecting that you will take the instructions or follow the instructions next tomorrow, 3 days, or a week, or after. No, God wants you to take immediate action. That is the essence. That dream is in your consciousness part, or you were able to remember that word dream. Your subconsciousness dream are dreams that are not important immediately you dreamt that dreams. They are dreams in the future, or they are dreams that comes to your remembrance immediately the dreams want to play or come to pass, or immediately part of the dreams just take place. Consciousness dreams are there to direct us to take immediate effect, while subconsciousness dreams are there not to disturb us, the things that are not essential at that particular time. That is the essence. When you dreamt a dream and you didn't remember that dream, as time progresses, or as that dream just kickstarts, the event of that dream just kickstart, just one full scene of that dream, your subconsciousness will just tell you everything that will just happen around that thing. You will just see the beginning and the end. You will not, your mind will not tell you, yes, you remember you dreamt this dream before, this is how it is, this is how it is, and that is how everything will look like. That is a subconsciousness dream. The dream often come to your remembrance when something want to happen, or when you are close to that dream happening. So your subconsciousness dream are very important. It help you to take immediate actions at that particular time. It don't want to bother you because it is not that necessary at that time. So the essence why you dream and you don't remember your dream is because some of your dreams are in your subconsciousness. You will still remember them as time progresses, or when the dream want to come to pass or want to play, or the event of the dream want to come to pass. So there are two forms of dream: the consciousness dream and the subconsciousness dream. The consciousness dream is the dream God wants you to take note of or take immediate action immediately you dreamt that dream. God wants you to take an actions and follow the instructions to avert the plans of the enemy, or for you to live a fulfilling life, or for you to live a purposeful life, then your subconsciousness dream are the dreams that are not essential immediately you dreamt them. They are the dream that will come to your remembrance as time progresses, or when you are close to when the dream want to display or come to pass. So these things usually happen within our dream, so that we will not be confused or disturbed, so that we will know the important immediate effect or action to take. Sometimes you can remember your subconsciousness dream when you continue to pray unto God to show you the dream that you dreamed, or remember you the dream you dreamed. As time progresses and as you continue to persist in the place of prayer and tell God to show you, God will now show you at the appropriate time. So there are two forms of dream: the consciousness dream and the subconsciousness dream. Anytime you dreamt and you don't remember that dream, don't kill yourself. It means that that dream is not important at that moment. If it is important, God will put it in your consciousness for you to know. This is where I will stop. If you are blessed by this video, please like this video and follow me by clicking on the subscribe button in order for you to receive more videos from me anytime I give a post. Thank you and God bless you. See you on my next teaching.